Andhra Pradesh Public Service Commission recruitment for assistant engineers in various engineering services of Andhra Pradesh. The pay scale is around 31,460 to 84,970. The upper age limit is 42 years and the minimum age criteria is 18 years. And the last date of application is 11th of November 2021 and the starting date is 21st of October 2021. So this is regarding the notification. Total of 190 vacancies, 35 carried forward vacancies and 155 of fresh vacancies. Total of around 190 vacancies in civil and mechanical engineering. So assistant engineer, in order to apply for this post, the eligibility criteria is LCE issued by the state board, technical education and training AP, or any other qualifications, or a bachelor degree in civil or BTech, or a 4 years degree in environment engineering or AMIE civil from any university, in order to apply for the post of assistant engineer, civil or mechanical. So the eligibility criteria is you should have a degree in civil or mechanical or BSc engineering degree from Banaras Hindu University. So these are all the eligibility criteria. LCE diploma, LME diploma, LSC diploma awarded by the state board with different in order to apply for this post. So the reservation criteria is also there. There is 5 years relaxable for SC, ST and PH candidates. See, this is the reservation criteria. SC, ST, BC, EWS 5 years relaxation and SC, ST, CF vacancies 10 years. So this is the reservation criteria to apply for the post of assistant engineer in either in civil or mechanical. In order to apply for the post, you need to register with OTPR and through official website of APPSC, which will be given in the description, or you need to click on online submission of application. First you need to pay and then you need to fill the application form. The fee criteria for different categories is this way: 250 rupees application fees and processing fees of 80 rupees, and SC, ST are exempted. BC, PH and ex-servicemen are exempted from these fees. The mode of payment is in different modes as well. Scheme of examination, center of examination will be in the vicinity of Andhra Pradesh itself. So the selection procedure for this recruitment will be based on merit of written exam as per the scheme and syllabus, and selection of appointment of to the post is made based on only written test, so that is computer based test. So in order to apply for the post, you need to go to application form. Before that, you need to pay online application fees and then followed by the receipt number, and then you need to fill in the application form. So these are zonal wise vacancies. I'm just skimming. The detailed notification link is given in the description. We'll see this is the examination structure, that is how the examination will be. Syllabus, there will be 2 papers. This is the examination criteria. There will be 3 papers. Paper 1 will be of 150 questions, 150 minutes, 150 marks, and paper 2, that is common diploma standard, civil or mechanical, 150 questions, 150 minutes, 150 marks, and paper 3 will be of environment engineering or civil engineering, common for post codes of 3, that is degree standard, 150 questions, 150 minutes, 150 marks, total of 300 marks. So there will be paper 1, paper 2, paper 3, different cases. Medium will be in English itself. So this is regarding the various vacancies, and this is a syllabus for different streams. This is a syllabus for general studies and mental ability, which will be followed by different current affairs, national events, and socio-economic, polity, geography, economic development, logical reasoning, and the bifurcation of Andhra Pradesh and administrative, economic, social, cultural, political. So these all belong to the general studies category, 150 questions. And then this is the common syllabus for different streams of environment, civil or mechanical. So this is regarding the application fees and also number of vacancies of Andhra Pradesh Public Service Commission, post of assistant engineer. The link will be given in the description to apply, so please do check that link.